Welcome back to Product Zone. One of the best, funniest gift you could give somebody right now. It's hilarious. A wine glass because punching people in the face, it's illegal. It's funny. I thought it was cute, and it's a great idea for a gift. Listen, if a simple gift, and if you want to give somebody, I think they'll get a kick out of it. And it comes here with a pair of socks. I'm gonna take out the socks. You guys could see too. So you have the beautiful wine glass. It's like a plastic, a heavy duty quality, and you could see it. And it comes in this beautiful socks, and it said, "If you could read this," and the next one said, "Bring me some wine." This cute and hilarious gift. Listen, really comfortable, soft, very soft socks, really good quality socks. I love the quality of this glass. It's not like cheap plastic. It's a good plastic. It's a really heavy duty one. I like it. I really like it. They made a really good. They really did a good job making this. Listen, check in the description box for price and details. Affordable price, really good price. Get your hand on something that's funny and pretty awesome gift.